How to get Twilio API key credentials for n8n. In this video, I'll show you how to get Twilio API key credentials for n8n. So to get started, go ahead and open Twilio into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and head over to your console. Now, once you're in here, click on the admin button at the top right of your screen and then click on account management from here, and that will take you into this section. So in here, go ahead and enter the verification code sent to you by Twilio to your Google Mail account. So you need to open your Google Mail into another browser. So you need to actually verify your access before you can actually proceed on your account management section. So copy this code and then head back to Twilio. So once you have copied the code, go ahead and head back to Twilio and then paste the code into this pop-up. And then after that, go ahead and click on verify, and then once done, this will load. So once this is done loading, go ahead and click on this API keys and tokens tab at the left side of your screen under keys and credentials. So in here, simply click on this create API key at the right side of API keys, and then that will take you into this section. So in here, you need to go ahead and enter the required information, such as a friendly name for this API key. So I'll just name this n8n, and then the key type of this API key. And then after that, click on that save button, and then in here you can go ahead and copy the SID and the secret of this specific API key. So make sure to copy the secret since this is only shown once. And then click on done to proceed. Now in n8n, go to credentials and then choose Twilio API key and then enter the account SID from your Twilio dashboard, API key SID which you've gotten, and then API key secret. Save and then test the connection, and that is how you can basically get Twilio API key credentials on n8n. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.